Alright guys, so here's how to make app icons black and white on iPhone. It's quite simple guys, so let's get started. First of all you're gonna do, make sure to update your iPhone because without iOS 18 you cannot do this one. Alright, so make sure that you have the latest version of iOS. Then all you're gonna do is simply go to anywhere in the screen and tap and hold to get this shaky effect on the apps. Then on the top left side you will probably see the edit option, so you need to tap on the edit and then you will probably go with the customize option. Here is the customize, so you need to tap on the customize. Now you need to go with the tinted option on the right. Here is the tinted option, so you need to go with the tint and then move your cursor or slider to the right like this. So now if we go back, and as you can see we got a classy look like black and white icons in iPhone. So that's quite simple. It's quite good when you want a classy look in your icons. So that's pretty much it. Hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and comment down below if this works and you like it or not, and we'll see you pretty next time. Peace out.